What's up, guys? It's the Crypto Otaku here on Wednesday. Wacky Wednesday. How's it going, guys? Hopefully your bags are packed and you're ready to go. We're about ready to explode. 95K Bitcoin hit today, hitting all-time highs every single freaking day as we hit the end of the month. Options, of course, went live yesterday and are making record numbers for the Bitcoin ETFs. Yeah, let's get into it. I've got on the show today our Generation Z correspondent, Mr. Z. How you doing? You there?
Sorry, what's going on?
My bad, man. Yeah, that's you, my guy.
Yeah, what's up?
How's it going, man? You ready for this bull run? It's only been 4 years. It's only
been 4 years, and this one's starting off super hesitant. Yeah, let's get it. That's just more time. It's on sale. It's all good.
What? What do you mean it's not on sale? We're about ready to blast off. I covered yesterday. We got about we had 10 safe picks for at least a 10x, safer-ish picks. If we get some time, I'd like to go over that with you and get your take on that as well. But yeah, let's dive into the metrics and see what's going on with the King Crypto. Right now, Bitcoin, boom! Bitcoin sitting at 94,772, coming back down a little bit. On the hour, we did, just before the stream, hit 875. Again, retesting that barely. It's basically, I saw see on a few exchanges today, 95K for Bitcoin. And yeah, so is it possible we're going to hit that tonight? Maybe. If you look at the current chart, it looks like we haven't even come back down to retest this channel. We've been following this channel pretty religiously since the weekend. And yeah, it hasn't slowed down at all. I mean, even if we wanted to come back down and say, we've just been bopping around these two, tops and bottom and following this trend really nicely. So 100K Bitcoin by the weekend? Question mark? Maybe 99K. I don't know. I'm not sure if I feel 100K yet. Yeah. What's that?
Strong question mark. I wish I could see what you were talking about, but you never screamed.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. I got you.
Yeah,
that's
good.
right. I should have gave you a visual. Because even if you were to watch the YouTube, you'd be behind good 30 seconds or so. So, yeah, where are you at? You are here. And you can tell the normies aren't out tonight. Everyone's ignoring Bitcoin, man. Where's the normies? Where are the normies at? They're just not here. Okay, so there you are, Mr. Z. I'm sharing my screen with you right now. There we go. I guess that'll work. I might have to create a new... Fuck it. Yeah.
That'll work.
You see it? That'll work. I don't know if you can zoom in enough for that, but I can give you another.
Make it work.
Okay, if you make it work. All right, so yeah, you can see here that they're basically following this trend really, really close, really, really nice. We haven't even did anything to this for days since last weekend. It's basically followed that same exact trajectory. We altered it a little bit over, I think from Friday last week, but yeah, it's pretty much the same exact thing. It's just up and to the right. Number go up. Technology's working pretty damn good right now. Looking pretty damn bullish for Bitcoin. And yes, there's not too much to really cover there other than right now we're trying to break out. Right now we're in the middle, trying to break out the middle of this parallel channel. If we can, as we get tighter and tighter in these ranges. Yeah, there's not...
Stop zooming in. It makes it look more horizontal. We want it to go up.
Oh, yeah. We're starting to print another green, yellow candle right now on our chart as we speak. Let's take a look at heat map real quick, see if it's coming back. I like to, of course, show you guys the heat map. Don't pay for something you get for free, right? Don't pay for something you get for free. This is, of course, heat map brought to you by Kimba, the White Snow Lion. If anime reference for those who know, yada, 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 you get it. Yeah, it looks like pretty much as of right now, we're looking at Bitcoin just about to break the heck out of this 90 for hell, 94 to 95K. But right now, there's pretty much nothing holding us back until we hit that psychological level of 95K. You can see on the order books here, and there's no one really. Yeah, there's hardly anyone selling at these lower time frames and the lower levels. So we're just waiting for that ultimate hit on the head back in 95K. Maybe a few more times tonight, and we'll probably break through tomorrow morning, kind of like what we did this morning. It's been nothing but up. We're making about a 1K new high every single day now on average for Bitcoin. All right, let's get into the key metrics. Guys, Mr. Z, since you've been gone, we hit $36 trillion. Yes, and of course, US debt last week.
Didn't we just fail another audit for the
yes,
Pentagon?
The seventh audit.
Seventh in a row. Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay.
Nah, it'll be all right.
They'll get their act together. You know, they're good for it, right?
Yeah, they're doing all that spending for the ocean alien bases.
Yeah, the ocean alien. Well, it's been a while since I heard that one. That's a good one. Or the weather control technology.
Well, they just had a whole Congress meeting about that.
Ooh, here we go. Fear and greed on stonks. We're up 1 point today. We're not at a 50 flat. Dude, this makes no sense. Stonks have been sitting at all-time highs now for quite a while, the S&P 500. But it's been sitting flat since the election. We got clarity. You know, Orange Man is now there. And, of course, Orange Man is probably the best option right now for Orange Coin. But the stonks sitting flat when everyone was waiting on a huge rally when Trump won.
I'd argue RFK, but
RFK?
just because I want to see another Kennedy get his brains blown out.
Oh no! Well, I didn't hear that. he was my favorite my favorite elect for presidency, but it didn't work out that way. Crypto fear and greed sitting at 82 again on the day, pretty damn high. Although we did fall back down from our highest level of like 92 in greed. It was insane. We've never been at 92 since I can remember maybe 2021, the tail end of 2021 from what I remember, like when we hit the 69K thinking we were going to hit 100K and we never got it. So yeah, we're getting back in those ranges, and I feel like 100K is not bullish enough. People just waiting around for 200K. We're going to get back to the 92, 95 on the greed scale when we hit the 120K. I don't know what we're waiting for. US dollar index sitting at a 106.59. Of course, every day I see this, I'm eating my words because I said it. I said we're not going to hit 106 again. And we've been pumping, Bitcoin's been pumping with the dollar now since the election. America's looking pretty good coming into 2025. Next up is one of our favorites. I know it's probably your favorite, the crypto bubbles. Because you know you're Gen Z, you got that mindset. You're with the isms, right?
I've got a couple of them, yeah.
Yeah, it's just that generation, man. I get it. But yeah, right now sitting on the day, it looks like everything's kind of coming back down. Had some pretty big moves, but as of this morning, what I noticed was the entire sentiment has shifted from all coins go up yesterday to everyone's gonna sit on the sidelines, sit on their hands and wait for Bitcoin to just cool the F off, because it won't stop. Since the option markets opened yesterday, Bitcoin's been on a tear. It's been on a tear. So yeah, the only thing really up today you can see on the day is Floki, which is kind of unsettling because it's meme coin. Bitcoin's up 3% on the day. Leo's up 5%. I didn't know that was back in the top 100. Jesus, 20 now? My God. What is it up on the year? Leo's up 106% on the year. What? Crazy. All these coins, man. All your coins are going to be moving here this year. But anything else on the day, there's nothing really mentioned. Oh, there's Tezos. Tezos made a big move. It was 6%. Yeah, ADA's up another 3.5%. It's already on a huge rip. Already outshining everything else in the market. Yeah, I don't really got anything else. I really don't. On the week, everything, of course, is super in the green. H-Square's up 125%. XLM's up 100%. XRP's up 60%. Algorand, have you been paying attention, Mr. Z, to all this?
Yeah, a little bit. Basically, things move fast. And XRP not useless for once. For the first time in like 10 years.
We're no longer a stable coin, guys. We're no longer a 50-cent piece stable coin. we're basically $1 now. Or $1.15, I think, last time I checked. That's XLM. XRP.
But where Jasmine?
Oh, yeah, Jasmine. Well, Jasmine's got to wait for Ethereum to get its head. I feel like if Ethereum's only on them, it's on a hiatus right now. But I believe that if Ethereum doesn't get its act together, I think Jasmine's probably going to be better off choosing a different chain. Because nothing's run on Ethereum yet. We're back down to 89. I haven't seen Jasmine this low in market cap, according against all the other crypto coins assets, since the beginning of the year, when Jasmine exploded back in was it February, March?
It was with the other coins, things that was running green throughout the entire summer.
Yeah, but I do have another big. Right now is a good time to be buying into Jasmine. I'm actually looking at doing a huge buy-in, maybe like 1 million tokens again into Jasmine here in the next few weeks. Hopefully we can stay in these lower levels. Oh my God, we broke 2 cents today. What? These are a great time to be buying and picking up Jasmine on the cheap. So I'm hoping it stays this low for my own personal reasons here in the next couple of weeks, but probably won't. It's probably going to be at back up.
It's not.
What's that?
It's not failing. It's on sale.
Yeah, there you go. It's on sale, and there aren't that many coins right now on sale. As we can kind of look out on the week when we get to the coin market cap, we'll take a look at that. Bitcoin dominance is at its all-time high for the year. 61% dominance on Bitcoin. This is why all the altcoins haven't moved yet. We're waiting for Bitcoin to just calm the F down, calm its tits, because we cannot be, all these other coins, especially on Ethereum, cannot be running when Bitcoin is heated. I mean, everyone right now and not so much the normies aren't here yet, but everyone and their bank is now throwing their money and their hat into the Bitcoin ring.
Or big government.
Yes, all the big governments. Oh my God, we're going to have 2 more major countries come out this year, according to some of the news that's been leaked about Abu Dhabi and the Bitcoin conference that they're going to have. I think it's going to be next week. So another big one coming out there. Maybe Saudi Arabia. Big buy-in coming from there. We don't know yet. But anyway, this is, of course, my favorite key metric to go over every single day. This is the how many Bitcoin are left across all exchanges. And, of course, we go into another day where we're lower and lower than we ever have been before, sitting at a new amount on exchanges, 2.3 million, 2.32 million, as we watch this chunk down lower and lower every single day. Just a quick recap. We are at 2.4 at the end of October, and here we are, less and less and less as we go, only producing 450 Bitcoin every single day, which is now being bought up, I think, an average of 10x the amount that we can do now every week. It's ridiculous how much Microsoft, we're going to cover. Microsoft just did another share buyout, which happened yesterday and also happened again today, which is insane. He's got massive phone right now. But anyway, I just, of course, want to daily reminder, you can't dig much deeper into that bucket. They're going to run out. And when we run out, we're probably going to get instant God candle, Omega candle. Who the hell knows where we could be at that point. A tame 200K, maybe a more bullish 500K. We don't know. Some people are calling for a possible, once we hit true demand and scarcity, with none left on exchanges, we could hit 1 to 1.5 million within a month of having 0 on exchanges. So who knows? We don't know. That's the beauty of it. We just don't know what the multiplier effect is going to be for some true supply and demand. We've never seen asset ever do this before. All right, moving on. Today's crypto, we're looking at top 10 assets in our crypto space. Anything really changed from yesterday? Nothing really. Cardano's still sitting at number 9. Tron holding in number 10. SHIB is falling down, as this coin really has underperformed so far with the rest of the meme coins. Avalanche holding number 12, which is bullish. Everything else kind of going on for there. Sui holding on to number 14 spot. This coin is just incredible incredible over the last few weeks. Honorable mention, of course, going out to Jasmine, which is damn near the bottom of the top 100 right now. On sale, 82 on Jasmine. You can see these charts don't lie, man. Look at this. Some of these are absolute terror. Look at Tezos. Look, my God, dude. Tezos doing some work. Look at, let's see what else we got. The graph. Man, the graph's breaking out right now, too. 51 in market cap. Any other ones? Oh, wow, look at that. Eunice. What the heck is that? That's Leo, yeah. Leo. Leo's breaking out. Everything else kind of looks, again, like either going flat because it's on the Ethereum blockchain, which is a lot of these tokens, like Jasmine, and a lot of the meme coins, which are falling down. But everything else looks pretty damn green on the week. All right. Moving on to Bitcoin treasuries, of course, Michael Seller looking at another buy-in today. Currently sitting at a total of 331,000 Bitcoin. Should be coming in new numbers tomorrow on that one. And then BlackRock sitting at 472,000, nearing 500K. Almost half of a million Bitcoin just for that one asset manager. Of course, BlackRock being the largest asset manager in the world, owning the world, and 15% of pretty much every stock on Earth. Fidelity almost coming in at 200K, and Grayscale still sitting at just over 200 as well. All right, we're almost through it, guys. We're almost through it. Bitcoin Rainbow price chart. The Bitcoin Rainbow chart is still in the accumulation zone, as we, of course, just blew right on through the buy zone, and we're not even in the still cheap yet, which would be around $120,000 to $163,000 Bitcoins to be considered still cheap, according to the Bitcoin Rainbow chart. All right, and of course, daily reminder: the buy zone for the basically fire sale is out of reach. To get it back into the basically fire zone right now, we would have to be under 64K. So we're not burning any biddings anytime soon. That's all I gotta say. Thank God, man. I'm running out of money. I can't be burning all my damn money. Shit. All right. Yeah, we almost burned through all of it, Z. I had $1,200 to start this. We had about 12 days so far in the fire sale, but I didn't stream all those 12 days, so I still got 3 hundies left. Well, two and a partial. Yeah.
Instead of wasting all of that,
we almost got through $1,200. Anyway, top assets in the world, top 10 assets in the world. Bitcoin, of course, blowing through Saudi Aramco again today. Looking to eyeing up that Amazon spot at $2.1 trillion in market cap. It's not going to take very long. I mean, for us to get there, basically it has to hit 100K, 100 and some change, really, 105,000, really, to get to probably Amazon's market cap currently. And of course, the stocks can come down a little bit too at the end of the year, as they're going to probably go into a Sand rally and sell off for tax reasons. I don't think crypto is going to do the same thing as it used to, because they got rid of the capital gains, the capital loss, right? You can't trade like that anymore, like we used to in our space. So tax loss harvesting, I'm referring to. Anyway, moving on, guys. Anything you want to mention before I move on to the news? Mr. Z, I just went on a tear going through all our metrics real quick.
Yeah. So right now there's a pre-release for a new crypto. Yeah, that's the word I'm looking for. Crypto. Basically,
a coin that's coming out like right now, this week, or
I don't know the exact date. Give me 1 second.
Oh, so it hasn't been priced in yet. Like, it doesn't have a...
No. They did a pre-release of about 13%.
Oh, okay. So there is... You should have... Oh, we're about ready to hit 95K again. There it is. I'm sorry. This is just a historic moment for the King Crypto. As we touch 95K again. Just barely... We're within $1. Everyone, let's take a look at heat map real quick. Oh man, let's see if we can see these orders as they get filled. Of course, brought to you by Kim of the White Snow Lion. Anime reference for those who know. Yeah. right now. Don't pay for something you get for free. Yeah, it looks like they're getting fulfilled right now. We're dwindling it down. Are we just going to blow right through that 95K target? Are we going to set the shorts on fire?
So right now,
people with their shorts are going to lose their shorts.
So right now, the crypto I was talking about, it is worth more than Jasmine at 2.3 cents right now.
Yeah, we could take a look at the tokenomics and see what's going on with that token.
Yeah,
man, this is rough, man. Let's take it the 1 minute. Let's look at the 1 minute. Look how tight this is looking, right to the top.
Nice little dive coming up.
Yeah, probably a return back down to 94.7, somewhere in that range there. Previous support, a lot of support in that area. So that's what we're looking at, something like that. Next, if we do not just break on through, dude, the rest of the world right now is waking up. They're like, okay, Bitcoin's now 95. When am I gonna buy? Bitcoin's 95. There it is. And of course, other countries have already hit their all-time highs. Everyone on Earth is now at all-time highs. I don't even want to know what it is right now. I'm like Canadian. Canada hit 100K last month, right? So, damn. Come on. We just gotta break on through that. All right. Let's see what's going on with the order book. They're still trying to fulfill all these sell orders at 95K. There is a big sell wall there. So yeah, we're waiting for a rejection. Is it gonna happen?
No.
You guys trading this? Oh man. There was a little wick down on the 1 minute. It looks like it peaked a little bit. I saw it 95. It's still printed green. Look at that. We're watching paint dry, guys. There it is. But will it fall down that far, though? That's the question. I mean, is it just going to come back down and retest 94.9? Like a really small move? This is the 1 minute chart. No, it just got bought up right away. Oh, wow. It's almost like this is all bot trading now. Where we're just getting higher highs and higher lows every single measured move. This is nuts. This is crazy. And yeah, this kind of looks like, yeah, this is a inverted head and shoulder pattern here within the last, holy crap, what is that, 9 hours? We've created this pattern. So this is your classic inverted head and shoulder pattern. So yeah, that could break up right now. 60%, 65% chance to the upside. Those who don't know, aren't aware, I'm just gonna bring it up because I like to show the new guys. A lot of people are new. I actually get a lot of people from India, believe it or not, Mr. Z.
Why did you redeem it?
What's that?
Why did you redeem it?
Why did I redeem it?
I wish you were younger. Never mind.
God damn it. That's why you're here, man.
Yeah. But you won't let me talk about my stupid fucking crypto.
I'm sorry. We got a little bit excited over the
over the failed flame. Yeah.
No, I mean it still could play out. But I wanted to pull that up real quick. Yep. This is what I'm referring to here. This is your classic inverted head and shoulder pattern, which usually breaks the upside. It's a very bullish trending pattern. So yeah, we'll wait on C. We'll come back to this, but yeah, in the meantime, let's take a look at that S coin of yours, right?
Yeah. Once again, it's called Quebetics or TICS.
Like Quebetics, like Quebec.
No,
like the
Q, U,
yeah,
B,
yeah,
E,
yeah, TICS.
Yeah.
Okay, just checking. All
right,
let's take that. Yeah, let's take that to CoinMarketCap real quick and see what's going on. So Quebetics. What is Quebetics? It is a
So-
revolutionary blockchain ecosystem designed to unify multiple networks and reshape the landscape of decentralized technology. Ooh, and as the world's first layer one EVM compatible aggregated multi-chain blockchain, Quebetics aims to enhance scalability. Ooh, I like that. Security and interoperability by bridging major blockchain platforms such as Ethereum, Solana, Cosmos, Bitcoin, and more. Okay, dude, this it sounds promising so far. It doesn't sound like a total S coin yet. It kind of reminds me of a L1 like exclusive chain link. Like
let me
interoperability play along all of the L1s combined. So that's interesting. It enables seamless cross-chain interaction, setting a new standard for decentralized applications, dApps, of course, digital payments, and asset tokenization. So the big question is, because it doesn't have any token, it's not launched yet, like you said, right? So it probably did like airdrops.
I have their website right here.
Yep.
So it says 1 ticks equals 0.02338,461.
Okay. So currently it's sitting about 2 cents before launch.
Yep.
That's not bad. We had to know more about the tokenomics though.
62,544 for 1 Bitcoin. It's a hell of a
oh, Jesus. So I wanted to see if I could find a quick reference to what the tokenomics is.
Yeah, like is it unlimited? Is it limited?
Yeah, what's the total market cap gonna be like with
I couldn't find anything on that. I didn't look too
it might be too early then. Any word on when they're gonna be dropping to what exchange first and stuff? Like, is it gonna be Binance exclusive at first, or I doubt it's gonna be Coinbase right away. But I mean,
you can buy it directly from their website right now.
But interesting.
As far as like, I don't know, but it looked interesting to me. I mean, dump $100 on it if you can afford it.
Buy now. How buy now? Okay, so you can only buy it directly.
Yeah. And I didn't see a card option on it.
Okay. Well, I'll keep this on the back burner. We can kind of come back to this on a later day. If you want to remind me if you get word of a exchange token listing, or if you can figure out what the tokenomics are, I'd be interested to know, because anything coming out right now, just so you guys who are just joining, any coin right now, last bull run, some of the best
I can
tokens
tell you the
what's
tokenomics right now. I can tell you the tokenomics.
You found it?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you got?
What do you want to
know? What's the total coins that are going to be released into the ecosystem, and
all right. Wedex is underpinned by a carefully crafted tokenomic structure designed to support the sustainability and growth of our block ecosystem. Pre-sale 13%. I already know that. Team 11.88% of tokens are allocated to the team. Ecosystem 20.
How much is for the team?
11.88.
That's not bad.
No, 20.85% is dedicated to reinforcing the Quebetics ecosystem. Is that like lockups, I assume?
Yeah. So how many tokens are going to be minted in total when it's all allocated?